Hello, hello, Netta Talmor here from No Hassle website and from All Things No Hassle. And in today's video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can visually brand your website or any of your graphics with a beautiful color scheme, even if you don't know exactly how to do it and don't feel that you're really good at it. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can do it and it will look like a professional has done it. Okay, so let me show you. There are a few things you can do. So first of all, you can simply go to Google and you can search for a color scheme or a palette starting from a color that you love. So if you've never done it, it's really a lot of fun. So let's say that you saw a beautiful website that you like and it has, a rose gold kind of color and you like it, but you want to create your own. So you can write something like rose gold color scheme or palette, okay? And then once you see the results, you're going to click on images. And here you're going to see a lot of options of other color schemes that have been made. And these color schemes that are here are basically public. You can choose the same colors for yourself usually. And you can see, get ideas, see different elements, maybe think of color combinations that you never thought of that work well with your own favorite color, okay? So let's say we scroll here and we really, really love this, okay? So you really like this. So you love the color scheme, but you don't even know what colors exactly they are. So here I'm going to show you a great tip on how you can grab colors from any image or picture that you see or a website that you see. Okay, so let's start by downloading Chrome extension. So you need to use the Chrome browser, and then you're going to look for an extension that's called, it's this one, it's called ColorPick Eyedropper. Okay, so the way you do it again is you're going to go to Google and you're going to write here ColorPick Eyedropper, and you're going to write Chrome. Okay, and then it's going to give you a link to download this Chrome extension. So you're going to look for the link that starts with chrome.google, okay? Because I already have this plugin, this add-on to Chrome, it's not offering to download it for me. It's just asking me if I want to remove it. But obviously, in your case, it's going to tell you to install it. And with 1 or 2 clicks, you're going to have the ColorPick Eyedropper installed on your Chrome browser. And you're going to see it as this little icon at the top here, okay? So once you have that, and we can go back to this image, you can click on the ColorPick Eyedropper icon. And what it will do is it will open this little thing for you. And then wherever you hover on the page or a picture or a website, anything like that, you're going to actually see the exact color code of that image. So you can simply go here and click on that and it will give you the code. You can copy it, you can open simply a notepad and just paste those colors. Then you will go back here and you will go and you'll click on this color and you'll copy this new code and you'll paste it here just so you have it for future reference. And then the pink and so on, okay? Please note that this color, for example, the actual rose gold is a texture. It's not a real color. So if you click here, it will give you one code. If you click on this area, it will give you another code, right? Because it's a different shade on this image. So it's a little hard to grab those colors that are metallic, but you can pick one of the shades that you like and make that your color, okay? So that's one way to grab colors from any website you love or a beautiful picture you see and you just love that color combination and you want that for your graphics or for your website. That's a great way to pick those and have them. And then you can just use those colors for whatever you're creating, right? On your website or on Canva or wherever you're creating the graphics. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do, let's close this window, is use the website called coolers.co. So it's COOLORS.co. Okay, coolers.co. So with coolers.co, you can create your own palettes. And the beauty of it is that they're not just random colors. They're all mathematically suited, right, for each other. So let me show you. You just go to that website, you click Start Generator. It will open this. And here it will start offering you combination of colors, palettes, right? Complete palettes. So with every click of the spacebar, it's going to change the entire palette, right? And like I said, these are not random colors. But the key and the fun part is that you can click a few times until you find, something you like, or even just one of the colors. So let's say you click and you're like, ooh, I really like this dark, purple burgundy shade. So you can hover over the lock and lock this color. So now this color will remain the same. And when I click the space bar, it will only change the other 4 colors, right? Or maybe I also want to lock this one. So again, now if I will click on the bar, it will only change this one, and this one. Let me show you. You see? So I can continue until I find something really awesome that I love. And then you don't even need the color picker because it already has all the colors codes at the bottom here. And I'll give you another tip. You can simply copy this URL at the top and save that. So you can always come back to this entire palette. It saves already all the color codes here. So if I go and save this, and then just paste it, even, next week, it will open the exact same color palette that we were working on now. You'll see in a second. Load. It's taking its sweet time. Here we go. So I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks on how to create a beautiful color palette for your website or graphics, even if you don't have the inclination to usually do it. It's beautiful, and you can really beautify your entire website in 30 minutes just by changing all the colors. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you need anything else or have any other questions. Bye-bye. Ciao.